ADA, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, I haven't give update for a few days since I was sick. All right, now we start with the 1 hour chart and we want to see how we can trade it. If you refer to my last analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for buy. We talk about the different possibility, and we mentioned if we get a correction, we can look for the price to drop, and exactly this is what we get. And the price dropped more than what we expected. Most of the charts we get this one, all right. And if we move to forward daily chart, since we have been trading since the price was within the top, we mentioned about the possibility of the price to drop. Okay, as if you refer to our analysis, first of all, we had a divergence. We mentioned any buy at the top, we need to be careful. And the second one, I was keep putting, we mentioned we have this correction, may we get the flat, internal flat. That's why this is what we get right now. Okay, that's why when the price was at the top, we mentioned the possibility of the price to give us one more drop similar to what we have here is there. That's why I mentioned anyone get the trade within this move or they want to buy at the top, they should know about this possibility, exactly what we were expected to happen. Okay, no one want to see how complex can be. And but what we get here was sharp more. I mean, it was really sharp. The price, the big drop is really sharp, more than what we expected here, because here was more corrective than this. Anyway, that's why when the price was at the top, I was keep mentioning about the possibility of the price to drop, since some of the traders, they didn't like it when I talk about this, and exactly this is what we get, because we have been looking for the flat. Okay, anyway, if I move to lower time frame, if I move to forward chart, now we want to see what's the next, whether this is, we can expect the reversal from here, or this one can turn to a big correction. Is there to a big correction, still we can expect the price to drop, but right now from what we have based on forward chart, we cannot confirm. But the only thing is any reversal we can look for buy. Okay, and if I move to forward chart, right now we want to see whether we can put this one as a flat for one more drop before we get the next move, or the price can continue from here. Now we cannot confirm, and the only thing is technically what we have here is a flat in relative to this. That means still we can expect the price to drop. And the best thing is if we get any drop, either with the breakout of this low or not, mostly since there is a big shadow here, we will look at this down, this as a lowest price. That means as long as the price start to drop either with a sharp move or a corrective move, any reversal will take it. Okay, how about if the price continue from here? Either we get the correction here, is confirm the price is moving, or we get the sharp move with the flag, we can look for buy. Okay, right now we don't have any trade set up, but what we get here is a flat. Technically we can expect for one more drop. This is what we need to be careful, but it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. And as I mentioned, the best thing is if we get one more drop, at least we can confirm this flat. Okay, but if the price continue from here, either we get a correction, we look for buy setup as a short term, or we get the continuation with the flag. How about if this one turn to a more complex correction? Also is there, but if we get a more complex correction, it depends how it's correct. Right now we cannot confirm. If we get a more complex correction, we can expect for the down move or reversal. We need to wait and see, then from there we can make a decision. But right now we can look at this as a flat. As I mentioned, technically we can expect the price to drop before we get the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.